Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Ready to make the most of your day. The ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 laptop exudes power, reliable performance, and robust security for all of your business requirements. It's designed to handle heavy loads of work and is perfect for data tabulation, quick design works, research, and reviewing content. Equipped with up to a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, integrated graphics or NVIDIA GeForce discrete graphics, and extensive memory and SSD storage, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 delivers blazing fast performance. 13th Gen Intel Core i7 1355U. Memory 16GB so DIMM DDR4. Storage 512GB SSD M2 2242 PCIe 4.0 x 4 NVMe. The stunning graphite black color gives the ThinkPad E16 Intel laptop a modern, professional look. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce MX 552GB GDDR6. The ThinkPad E16 also features a crystal clear 16 inches WUXGA display, 1920x1200, IPS 300 nits anti-glare, 45% NTSC and hardware-based low blue light certification for an excellent visual experience. Camera: FHD 1080p plus IR hybrid, with privacy shutter, fixed focus. Get connected and stay connected. More connectivity means more effective working. The ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 comes with all the ports needed for peripherals and better collaboration, including USB-C 3.2, USB-A 3.2 and 2.0, and Thunderbolt 4, to name a few. Connect wirelessly hassle-free with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.0, and rely on dual mics and a hybrid FHD plus IR webcam with privacy shutter for collaboration. Keyboard 6-row, spill-resistant, multimedia FN keys with unified communications controls, numeric keypad. Keyboard backlight LED backlight. Keyboard houses robust keys with better key spacing to prevent accidental input, plus a number pad. The smooth 115mm by 68mm trackpad improves on-screen navigation. Fingerprint reader integrated in power button. Options to keep your data safe. Protect your laptop and your data with options like a discrete trusted platform module, DTPM 2.0, optional hybrid FHD plus IR camera required for Windows Hello, and Smart Power On. The DTPM 2.0 secure chip encrypts your passwords and other sensitive data, while only you can access your laptop via the optional fingerprint reader on the Power On button or the FHD hybrid IR camera. Memory: up to 40GB DDR4 3200, 1x soldered plus 1x so DIMM. Up to 1x1TB M2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Battery 3-cell, 57 Wh, integrated, supports rapid charge, charge up to 80% in 1 hour.